हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आपके सामने एक ऐसा नॉलेज शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ which I already started in my previous videos, and I am going to continue about and further. My topic I want to state it again that it is based on energy which we can if we can accumulate the energy which is available everywhere, the energy which is available in space also, because I had already talked about the black related thing. If you want to understand, you can see the previous videos. So I found it that the black energy, the energy in the black can be accumulated, and that finding I can and I have observed. So before that observation of findings or that apparatus where which can or which would look like, before starting or stating that, I would like to give an example. It is just like an electricity compared to the signal in mobile. Electricity is bigger, signal is smaller, but both are have both energy only of same type. The intensity is different. In the same way, the apparatus which I am going to tell you, that is natural thing, it is also working like the same for accumulation of energy, which was already which is not known actually, and which is called as black box of Krishna, is the eye. In my previous videos, I might have discussed about the convex lens structure, which have the power to accumulate the sun rays to concentrate. In the same way, the eye, the structure of the eye, and the opening lids upon it, it seems like the same convex lens, though the inner part of the eye is circular. The opening part and the oval part of the white part and in the black in the middle works just like the apparatus which I am understanding, which observe the light rays in a very just like signal of mobile. It accumulates the outside energy, and out of that it accumulates, and output signal reaches to the mind. So the future apparatus which can accumulate energy of the space that is black seems to be like and can be if you try to replicate the eye in bigger way, or it may take us further towards finding a new uh, or getting a new invention or a new science. Thank you. I will talk further with further findings.